One of the formulas I use most often is SUMIFS because it's so flexible to do calculations and add up totals. So here I've got a table of weeks, names and scores of these people in whatever game they might have been playing. And I'm going to use SUMIFS to create all these conditions. So the first one is just simply all of Bob's scores. So I'm going to say equals SUMIFS, and then the first column is going to be what I want to add up, so column C. And then the second thing I'm going to enter is the column to search for the value that I want. So in this case, it's going to be column B for name. And then I can either select Bob from this cell, E2, to say that's what I'm searching for, and it will do add up all of Bob's scores of 23, or I could type in between double quotes Bob, and it will do the same thing. But also, if you're typing things in double quotes, you can add special characters for different meanings. So let's say we want everyone whose name begins with an S. So we'll start the same way, equals SUMIFS, do column C, and we're searching the name column again. But this time I'm going to go double quotes S asterisk. And the asterisk here means it doesn't matter what comes after the S. As long as S is at the beginning of anything in that column, it doesn't matter how many or what letters come after the letter S. And there we go. So we're adding up Susan, Stephen, Sarah and Sally scores across this whole table. It's important to know as well that SUMIFS isn't case sensitive, so I was going to do lowercase s instead, then we still get the same result. It can't tell the difference between uppercase S and lowercase s. If you want to do something similar but for names ending with the same letter, so let's take M and we'll get Tom as the only one in that category. So let's say equals SUMIFS, same two columns, but this time we're going to say double quote asterisk M. So now we're looking for anything that has M at the end and any number of any letters before it using the asterisk symbol. There we go. And you can do it with numbers as well. So if I say equals SUMIFS, again we're going to add up column C. This time we're going to search column A, the week column, and we're going to say greater than or equal to 3. There we go. So that's all the scores for week 3 and up. And it works the other way around as well. So we said less than 3. Then we'd add up weeks 1 and 2. And you can do this with cell references as well. So let's put in a number 3 here. And instead of typing 3, we can say ampersand, which means join together what's between these double quotes. And now I'm going to select this cell. So that's join together less than whatever is in D5 to get the same sum. And now if I make that 4, then it's going to automatically change the result of this formula. And you can join those two things together as well and create a whole chain of conditions. So if we say equals SUMIFS, again we're going to add up column C. This time we want any name containing the letter R, so we're going to say search column B. We're going to say asterisk R asterisk, which means any number of letters of any type before R and after R, so anything that contains the letter R. And we're going to search the week column for the number 4. And there you go. So that's just a few ways you can make SUMIFS super advanced to do easy calculations.